What's up guys, it's me Geek. So what is USB 3.1? Yes, USB 3.1. If you don't know, USB 3.1 stands for Universal Serial Bus 3.1, which is a successor to USB 3. Also USB 3.1 give you 2 times the speed, which means double speed, which give you double speed of the USB 3. USB 3.1 give you 10 gigabits per second compared to USB 3 only 5 gigabits per second. Also USB 3.1 can support up to 100 watt of power, 100 watt of power, which mean that USB 3.1 with USB-C type connector. For example, this laptop can be charged by USB-C. I'm just giving you an example. This laptop can't be charged by USB-C, but some of the latest laptop you can easily charge by USB-C. You do not need to carry an extra adapter. So USB 3.1 is a revolutionary system due to one thing. It can give you up to 100 watt of power. So also USB 3.1 can be used to as a video signal cable, which can be used to replace the HDMI. Yes, yeah, USB 3.1 is coming neck to neck with HDMI. So at the end of the day, USB 4 will be like a major revolutionary change, but USB 3.1 is the one of the best currently in the market. Before, USB was always like lacking behind HDMI, Thunderbolt, Firewire. USB 3.1 nail it. So if you are looking to buy a new laptop or anything, always try to find that it have USB 3.1. It was me, G Magic. Check out the links in the description box. Bayonara.